In Windows 11, you can easily share files between users without having to use an external storage device. To share a file with another user on the same device, right-click the file you are wanting to share. At the bottom of the quick menu, select Show More Options. Then in the menu that appears, hover over Give Access to. Here you can choose to remove or add access for users. Select specific people. In the window that appears, type the user's name or, towards the right, select the arrow to see a list of users. Here you can choose the user, share with everyone on the device, or create a new user to share the file with. Once you have an option selected, select Add. The user's name should now appear in the box below. By default, users will only be able to read the file, meaning that if they make any changes they won't have permission to save or overwrite the data on the file. If you would like a user to save or overwrite data on a file that you've shared with them, select the current permission level. In the menu that appears, select Read, Write. They will now be able to view and save any changes they make to the file. In this menu you can also remove a user's access to the file. Once your preferred permission level is selected, select Share. Here you can choose to copy and send them a link that they can paste in the File Explorer navigation to quickly open the file. If the other user does not have the link, on the right side of File Explorer, they can select this PC. Then select the drive, Users, select the user that shared the file, the location of the file, then the file that was shared with them. Although the user may see the name of other files that may not be shared with them, they won't be able to open the file unless they have permission to.